Churachandpur Medical College sa Mahi Tamlamba Mahiroi Chamaga Marifu Humdoi Punsi Kalu Ningtina Mahi Masing Tamba Fanghalu Haiduna MBBS Mahiroi Singna Wakat Mifam Chatakrai Wakat Mifam Adu Kiam Gaida Leiba COVID Hospital da Clinical Posting Piduna Mahi Tamliba Mahiroi Singna Hospital asigi mamangda chathakibani Wakan Mifam Adu da Sarukyaki College asida second year tamliba Mahiroi Gayatri Karamna College asigi oina Department Khudingmaki regular faculty ki awatpa leibagi mathakta pathology department ki oinadi oza amata leite senior resident amadi guest lecturer singna kayam kuina college asi chalaigadoribano haina mari lenaba singda wahang hanglakli mahangna makha taraduna clinical posting gi oina Thoubal amadi Bishnupur district hospital tamna chatpagi lambida matam changbana kanaba kaya fangde Masigisu Madhagda Hariba Hospital Aniasi College Asigi Makhada Leiba Hospital Nate Kiamgai COVID Hospital da Clinical Posting Togani Hariba Sisu Hospital Asida Patient Amata Leitabana Matau Karamna Clinical Class Sathagadoribano Athuba Matamda College Asigi Awatpa Oza Sing Menkhat Piduna Ningtina Mahimasing Takhan Biu Amadi Mahiroi Sing Asigi Oiba Tokhaiba College Sama Athuba da Thamna Ba Hotna Biu Haina Fongdoki Nakhalamarom Kongsang adu da Saruk Yakibi Mahiroi 7KH na College asida first year amadi second year tamliba Mahiroi Chamaga Marifu Humdoi Manungda hostel ki khudong chaba fangliba si supnatagi Mahiroi humfu mari khaktani Mahiroi singasi mafam amada punna mahi masing tamhandaba Mahiroi kharana Janimsta amadi kharana Takhil Training Center da tamhanba sina thengnariba khudong chadaba singasi athubada kokhan biu haina fongdoki
अखोइगी क्यामगई कोविड हॉस्पिटल से अखोइदा सिनै को सी तौनबा अदुबु याम थिना वाले फैसिलिटीज तदी अदुना सिगी तौरिबा फिबम सिदा मेडिकल कॉलेज अमगी ओइना बहुत सिलोना हाइबदुदी यारोय हाइबदी बहुत सिलो हाइबदी हाइमन थोकनी हैना हाइनिंगे
So as laid down by NMC, we're to meet 75% attendance for theory classes and 80% attendance for practical classes. However, those 119 students who did not get hostel are not able to attend classes regularly because of the transportation problems, because of frequent floods or frequent strikes and bunds. So consequently they're losing their opportunity to learn as well as their attendance.